Hello, my fellow slayers. It is your girl Shay, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be just my everyday makeup look. This is what I do when I go to the store, when I go hang out with my friends, and this is even what I've been doing lately every day for work. And it's super duper duper easy and flawless, and I love it. So we're just gonna jump right in. If you guys want to know how I achieve this, keep on watching. First things first, I always make sure that my face is moisturized before I put any makeup on because I have really dry skin and I get really ashy and crackly, especially in the weather that's going on right here in New York. I need my face to be nice and moisturized and clean. So I take a little bit of tea tree oil, Hollywood Beauty. I got this for $3.50 at my beauty supply store, and I use a flat kabuki brush. Got this online for it came in a set of 12 brushes. No, I'm lying. My friend Vicky actually gave this to me because she loves me. I love you, Vicky. And I just spread a little bit, not a lot. Side note, when I do a unit that requires me to do baby hairs and gel and product on my hairline, forehead, I do that first before I do any type of makeup because I don't like when I have face makeup on and then I try to gel my hair down and all my foundation gets all mushy and gross. So that's why I did my baby hairs first, and then I'm going to style my hair after. That makes sense. See? I'm going to prime with Master Prime by Face Studio by Maybelline. It's primer base. And yeah, I love this stuff. I just recently bought this maybe like a week ago and I tried it out. This is so good. It's like super lightweight. It was cheap. It was like 12 bucks. And I love it. Color correct. I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the orange tone and just cover any dark marks I have. It's that time of the month for me, so I get like annoying breakouts and I have dark circles under my eyes because, you know, I work so hard. Now I'm going to continue with my color correcting under my eyes. So I'm taking this Becca Under Eye Brightening Corrector in medium to dark, and I'm just going to apply that right where I put it under my eye. Blend that out with a concealer brush. This is Sephora. Let's see. I don't have my glasses on. Pro Airbrush Concealer Brush number 57. I got this a while ago, so the number might have changed, but that's that. Now, if you don't have like dark circles under your eyes or any like dark pigmentation on your skin, you don't have to do these extra steps. You can just skip right to foundation. But if you do, I like the way my skin looks when I color correct and didn't do my foundation, because I don't do this every day. Something, why can't I speak right now? I don't do this every day. Some days I just go straight onto my foundation and everything is covered well still, but I feel like this just adds that extra like. Now we are gonna get into that skin. This is my favorite part. Foundation highlighting is my favorite part. So yeah, we're gonna jump right in. I'm going to mix my liquid illuminator. This is NYX Born to Glow liquid illuminator, and I'm gonna put that with my foundation at the moment. It's my favorite foundation at the moment. Maybelline Fit Me. This is the Dewy Plus Smooth, so it gives me that nice like dewy glow. I'm going to apply a nice amount of my liquid illuminator. I tend to get a little carried away with my illuminator. And I'm not going to blend it all the way, but I am going to buff it into my skin with a little bit. And I know that that's not going to be enough, so I'm going to add a little bit more. All right, girl. And just buff that right into my skin. At first, I dab into my skin and spread the product all around my face. And after I've dabbed it, I kind of go in circles just to blend everything out. Now that's nicely blended out, even, looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and do my highlighting and contour. I'm gonna use my LA Girl Pro Concealer, everyone's favorite, and I'm gonna use the color Warm Honey. And I love this color because it's not too light. It's pretty close enough to my skin tone that it won't be like super white. I'm just gonna blend that out with a different, this is like a little different shaped beauty sponge, but I like this because it gets in the corners. My Warm Honey concealer is all blended out. I'm going to apply a little bit, only because this color is a little light for me, but I do like the brightness that it does give me. I'm going to add a little bit of my Shape Tape concealer in the color Tan Sand, and just a little bit where I had applied the Warm Honey. I'm just gonna add a few more highlights and just blend that out. Now I'm going to begin my contour and my trusty dusty, handy dandy. Honestly, I forgot what company this was because the label faded, but I did do a video. I believe it was my Who Da Girl Get Ready video, and I used it. So we're gonna go back to that video if you haven't seen it, and we're gonna find out the name from there. But this is a cream contour stick. I thought this was lipstick when I first started doing my makeup. My friend's like, that is not lipstick, that is contour stick. And I was like, oh, okay, I'm gonna find one. No, that's a true story though. But anyway, I'm going to contour my forehead a little bit. I have a small forehead, so this step is like kind of extra for me, but I'm extra. And bring it down. I'm gonna hide my sideburns because they're a little long. And I'm going to set that with my Morphe setting powder and banana. I'm gonna take my True Complexion contouring palette in medium to dark, and I'm gonna contour with these two shades. The middle is, okay, I have a hairpin here. The middle is the sculpt one, and then we have the contour one. I'm gonna mix these two just to make my contour a little bit more dramatic. I'm just gonna dip and dab. I am going to be applying my favorite lashes at the moment. These are drugstore lashes, Ardell Double Up. They don't have a name. This is number 206 in black, but they're so cute and they give me drama, but like everyday, you know, and I like them. And I'm not gonna put any eyeliner or anything. I just boom right on my lashes, my natural lashes, and it looks like I got like lash extensions. So I'm gonna do that off camera because that always takes me like forever. So I have applied my lashes, and I also wiped away my setting powder with just a big fluffy brush like this. It's like a bronzing brush, and I really make sure that I get rid of all that powder, because you don't want to take a picture and then have setting powder still on your face, because sometimes you can't see it in the mirror. You're looking in the mirror and it looks fine, and then you take a picture and you're like, oh! That's happened to me. So I am really anal about just making sure I wipe everything away. Boom. I'm going to line my lips with just a brown lip liner. This is NYX. This is actually an eyeliner, but I use this as a lip liner, and the color is brown. Go figure. I'm just gonna take this $1 lip gloss that I have. This was $1 at my local beauty supply store. It's just plain, regular, clear lip gloss. This is so sticky though, but I love it. It's just cheap and clear, and like, this brings out the inner like ratchet girl in me, you know? That is it. I'm just gonna spray some NYX matte finish mini flat matte setting spray just to set all of that. I'm gonna cover my hairline and my lashes so that they don't get wet. But so this is the final look. Very cute, very simple. And I will be putting hair details in the description box below. I don't have the tag. This is a wig that I got from the beauty supply store a little while ago. I don't have the tag on hand right now, but when I find it, I will put all the information in the description box. I definitely did customize this because his hair was like so long and just kind of lifeless, so I made sure I added some layers, and it's a free part lace frontal wig, I guess you would call it. So I can switch the part up. I can put it this way, I can put it this way, I can kind of do it in the middle and let the curls fall. I'm liking it in the middle right now, so I'm just gonna leave it like this. But anyway, this is not a hair video, so thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and of course subscribe, and I will see you guys next week.